Big cold case also in court today, stemming from our cold case cards. The man arrested just last week in a 30-year-old murder case of a 10-year-old Pawtucket girl was released from the ACI the day after he was charged. Now, a court is determining whether that was the right course of action. Eyewitness News reporter Alexandra Leslie joining us live at court in Providence.
Good afternoon. Well, this morning we learned limited information from the state about why it withdrew its objection to bail last week. But we did speak to Joao Monteiro's attorney outside of court, who says he maintains that his client denies any involvement. Monday, the man accused in a 1988 murder of a 10-year-old girl faced a judge for a bail review hearing. 59-year-old Joao Monteiro posted bail Friday after the state withdrew its objection to bail.
Based on the state's continuing review of the evidence in this case, we can no longer reasonably maintain that request that he be held without bail.
Outside of court, Assistant Attorney General Tim Healy said he could not elaborate and referred questions to his office. We saw Monteiro walk free yet again and asked his attorney what he could tell us.
It appears that they're taking a new look at it. And that's why the Attorney General decided to allow bail and set bail. So there's more to the case.
Friday, Monteiro surrendered his passport. Monday, he signed a waiver of extradition in court.
Okay, so he understands that this permission to leave the state is for this limited purpose? Yes,
Monteiro's attorney told us Monteiro's family resides in Massachusetts.
So he wants to be able to stay with his family if he has to. I would imagine that there could be some economic issues going on. We're not sure if he's got a job to go back to.
Monteiro and his family did not want to comment, but we asked his attorney how they're feeling.
In shock. It's been a tough 72 hours for him. At least 72 hours. It's been hard. It's been hard on the family, so they're all relieved right now.
Now, as for what's next, we're told that the state has 6 months in order to bring this case before a grand jury. Live in Providence, I'm Alexandra Leslie, Eyewitness News.